Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. Today, we're on my bed and I'm super comfy with all the dogs, and I have a lot of new Target stuff that I want to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, I am not going to be testing out new makeup for two reasons. Number one, because I recently tested out so many new foundations that my skin is kind of and sort of freaking out. So I thought it would be nice and kind of... Really, dude? So I thought it would be nice and sit back and let it breathe and let it chill out for a second. And number two, because who doesn't love Target? I know I do. I spend so much time and money there. And also, I love PJs and loungewear and all that stuff. So I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys what I recently got, because Target has some really good stuff. Let's drink some coffee. The first thing that I got is actually this sweater that I'm wearing. It's a crop sweater. I'm gonna get up for a second. It's a crop sweater, as you can see. It's so comfy. It's like that towel material, but it's like that super soft and light. And the best part is that it has like an opening in the back. Can you guys see that? And they actually have this in two different colors. In this color, which is like a mauve-y, washed out burgundy shade. And then they also have it in a navy blue type of shade, and this one is from the brand Colsey, and it was $17.99, and it's so freaking comfy. So yeah, going off with the sweater theme, I also got this light gray crew neck from the brand Stars Above. I love this brand. Everything that they come out with is so soft and just awesome. I just love them. So yeah, this was $24.99, and it also comes in different colors, but this is so lightweight and soft, and the best part is that it has these like hidden pockets on the sides, which I love. It also has like a longer cut, so I feel like this won't be only good to lounge around the house, but also when it starts to get cooler outside, I feel like this would be great to throw over my gym clothes when I'm going to the gym, obviously, or if I'm just going to Target in gym clothes. But yeah, you get it. So yeah, you should totally go get this because it's so soft. Next, I got this set, which is even nicer and comfier and softer than that gray crew neck that I just showed you guys, but this is also from the brand Stars Above. So the top is just this crew neck sweater. It's an oversized fit, but I got it in a size medium just because I even wanted it to fit even bigger. And this is $19.99. It's super soft again. And then this is what the joggers look like. Super nice. They have pockets, and these were also $19.99. And obviously you do not have to get the pink shade. They have a bunch of other colors to choose from if pink is not your color, but it should be, because pink is literally the best. It's not just a Wednesday thing, guys. Then I got this Henley style top. They have it in a bunch of different colors. I got mine in this light gray shade. This is $16.99. And also a lot of these things, actually all of these things, they have in a bunch of different colors and prints, so there's a lot of options for you to choose from. But I got this gray one because I wanted it to match with these awesome and cool PJ pants that I got. So these are like a navy blue with just a bunch of stars all over them. These are $17.99. They have pockets, which I always appreciate my PJ bottoms to have pockets. I don't know why I'm going to sleep, but I still like having pockets in my pants. So anyways, but these are not only comfy, but they're that type of like cool material. So if you're someone that like sweats at night or just gets really hot throughout the night, then these are awesome, because not only are they comfy, but they're also going to keep you cool throughout the night. Okay, so this item is actually not from the loungewear area in Target. It's from the brand A New Day, which I believe they come out with a bunch of just workwear type of clothing. At least in my Target, that's the area that these shirts are at. But this is such a good like everyday t-shirt. It's so comfy, so soft, and so stretchy. I love these. I have them in a bunch of different colors already, but I saw that they came out with this like dusty pink shade, and I got it in a size what size is it? Small, and it's like that oversized type of fit, but it's just so freaking comfy, guys. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but just Just believe me when I tell you. It's so comfy, so stretchy, and so nice. And the best part is that it's only $8, so you can't go wrong with an $8 t-shirt. Now going back to the loungewear area, to the Stars Above brand in Target, I got me these black shorts, and guys, this fabric is literally my favorite fabric from this brand. It's called the Beautifully Soft fabric. It's an ultra soft and smooth for a relaxed, easy feel. It's just so stretchy, so soft, and just so freaking comfortable. When I think of loungewear, like, this is what I'm talking about, this fabric. So yeah, these shorts are so nice, so comfy. They have pockets. They're $12.99, so not expensive at all. Guys, next up is my favorite thing from the loungewear section in Target, which is these pants, which are the same fabric from the shorts, the ultra soft, or what's it called? Beautifully Soft fabric from Stars Above. Like, these are so comfy, and when I tell you that I love these and I'm obsessed with these pants, I mean it, guys, because look, I literally have so many of them in different colors and different prints. I just, yeah, every season when they come out with new ones, I literally buy them. And these are $17.99. They come with pockets. You can wear them to lounge around the house, for PJs, whatever you want. They're so awesome, and these are just like the new prints for the fall. It's like a leopard, cheetah. What is this, leopard or cheetah? Tell me. But yeah, this is a new print, and you guys should totally go buy it. Okay guys, so now on to the intimates part of this haul. I am obviously not going to be trying it on for you guys because that would be totally inappropriate, and I'm just not going to do that. But I still wanted to show you guys because I feel like maybe if you're on the hunt for any of these types of items, and I've already tried these, and maybe it'll help you and you can go buy them yourself. Okay, so I want to start off by saying that my favorite undies are from Lululemon. They're the, like, I actually don't know the name of them, but they're like the seamless thongs. I love them, but they're so freaking expensive. They're like $18 or $19 for one pair, and that is just an expensive habit or need or want to have in my life. So I obviously needed to find a more inexpensive alternative because we obviously need underwear. Like, that's, yeah. But anyways, I found it at Target because Target literally has the answers to my entire life. Where was I going with that? I don't know. I just want to let you guys know. But let me show you guys the alternative that I found to my favorite undies from Lululemon from Target. So they're from the brand Auden, or yeah, Auden, I think, Auden. I'm sure you've seen it at Target, but like, if you haven't tried these, you really need to. There's the seamless invisible edge thong. I get them in a size small, and these are nude. I got them nude. I got them in black. I have them in a bunch of other colors, but mainly I have a lot of them in nude and a lot of them in black because you can never go wrong with a good seamless thong. But what I like about these is that they're such good quality, and they really are seamless. They don't move around. They just like stay in place throughout the day, and yeah, I just love them. I get them in a size small, and the best part is that they're 5 for $20, so they're even better priced than Victoria's Secret and obviously than Lululemon, and they're such good quality. I can attest to that because I've been wearing these for almost a year now, since I found them, since I first bought them. So I'm telling you guys, these are such good quality. And another pair of undies that I like from Target also are these. These are not a thong, it's just like a regular, what are these, like bikini bottom. But the front part is that seamless material, and then the back is like this see-through. It's not a lace, it's like a, I don't know, what do you call this? But what I love about these is that the edge of the back part has this like sticky type of situation. You can't probably tell, but like this, it's like sticky. And the stickiness doesn't go away when you wash them. It stays exactly the same. And that just helps them to stay in place when you're wearing them throughout the day, obviously. So they don't move around. And yeah, I just really like them. And the fifth one that I got is this other thong. I feel weird showing you underwear, but maybe it'll help you guys. They're so comfy. But I got this. It's so comfy. This is lace, and this has like also this is not sticky, it's almost sticky, but this also helps it stay in place throughout the day when you're wearing it. And yeah, but I got this one because my favorite lace bras, like they have wire but they're not like padded or anything, are also from Target, and they're these. I have a bunch of them in different colors, but they recently came out with this burgundy shade, and these are $16.99. They're super comfy, super cute, and I got them to match with these. But yeah, enough of me showing you underwear and intimates. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of these types of hauls, not just from Target, from other places, because I buy a lot. I buy a lot of stuff from a lot of places. So let me know if you want to see more hauls, and I really hope again that you enjoyed this. I hope that this video made you want to go to Target, because Target is awesome. It's an awesome place. So anyways, give this video a big old thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free and it's a fun time. So until next time, bye guys.
You guys ready?